So you have used your therapy device for quite some time, and now you would like to create a report that you can save or, for instance, transfer to your caregiver or to a medical expert. Go to History and press the report symbol on the upper right. Choose the wished period you would like to create a report of. And press Save Report. Now the report is created. You can either save the report or you can transfer it via email. In the report, you can find the serial number and the latest firmware version of your therapy device. You can also see the parameter settings as well as the therapy statistics within the chosen therapy timeframe. And now have fun with Prisma app.